Guys, I'm having breakfast on my birthday in blackout. Like, why they always do me this? They take me not. That's why me eat JPS, you know. Me eat JPS. No, I don't know if it go on better. But anyway, I'm gonna let that spoil my day. Happy birthday to me. Breakfast was done by my sister. I told her what I want. I wanted jelly sandwich and eggs. I got it and I'm grateful for it. Guys, good morning. If you're new here, please remember to like. If you're new here, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the new Vlogmas Day 5. Loving it already. Yeah, I'm loving it. I'm not going to let JPS think that they spoil my day. It's very awesome. I was flowered this morning. I'll insert the video right after this.
So guys, it is my sister's birthday and light gone. So yeah, light gone. And can you imagine when the girl birthday? Oh gosh.
It's my birthday. I'ma do what
Wait for the scene, people. Hold on 1 second. 1 second. We're trying to get this floor together. One singer's birthday song, good girl. You know, party. So we're going to flow. Excuse your hand, girl. Because flow went off it quad. Just off it. Whether like they or not. Enough, Leo. Happy birthday.
Payback, huh?
To you.
Put your hand in the powder.
Oh gosh, guys. We out of like pretty much whole day yesterday, right?
This is a public announcement to the Prime Minister. This is not prosperity at all. You need to fix this. Like, what is that? We have been out of light in Clarendon, Cross Hill. And if you need to fix the lights. Like, what? Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. This is not fair. What we are pay a bill for? Eh? And if what JP, no man, take them up in the hand. This is not prosperity. You know what? More prosperity. And what if true. You know what? I'll go watch me.
My sister Earth.
Did you see the audacity? Like, why should do that? But anyway, it's my sister here. She gave me breakfast. Good morning and thank you. Can I get fruits? Fine. I'll just wait until later to be spoiled by my mother. Anyway, breakfast time. See you later. Wow. Alright guys, I'm heading out. Look at my outfit for the day. I hope I call me. Bye. I'm leaving out and the time cool. Let my sister show you my OCD.
Alright, so that's the outfit of the day.
Yeah, I bought them all from Shine.
Shine.
Yeah, Shine. Peace. Morning. You alright? Guys, look what I came to. I mean, they blew up 31 balloons, and by they I mean Candy, my period Candy, and my coworker Simi blew up 31 balloons. Like, oh my gosh! Line up, the bell went. And I got gifts from Kenny. So tell the vlog why you give me a gift. Tell them why you give me one gift. Say it's my birthday. Come on, bitch. Don't be shy. Yes, I had to give teacher a gift. And I got gift from Miss Simit and Candy. Make us strong up my body. Vitamins. Okay? But Jesus. Uno look here. No, stop. Me turn on light and see things for my bed. Come here to figure out things. I don't know this.
Happy birthday to you.
see what I got for my birthday, because I'm definitely gonna do a vlog. Yeah. So yeah, I am enjoying the birthday. I'm going to be eating soon. I'll show you that in this vlog after this, but let's go, yeah, chill out. All right guys, so I'm gonna have some fruits before dinner because I'm hungry. And yeah, okay, what, Mel? No, not spoiling dinner. Okay. Not necessarily. Alright guys, I got dinner. Rita, you've outdone yourself. Thank you very much. Thanks for dinner. So we're gonna tackle this dinner right now. So I'm having curry goat, rice and peas, vegetable and tomatoes, and we're gonna tackle this. How does it taste, sister? Happy birthday to you. Alright, before we can jump in there. Duh, Shan. They're not gonna be cool. Just say.
Mom, I left the knife. Could you get it? Guys, I'm gonna cut my birthday cake and I'm gonna have a slice of it before I go to bed, and I'm gonna drink my wine, and then I'm gonna peace out. On the count of one. On the count of two.
Okay, well, thank you.
On the count of four. 1, 2, 3.
Smell like cake, so I'm gonna feed you.
That's God. There.
Oh my god.
Oh my God.
But I want to give me.
So one wine back, one wine top. I'll be coming getting me.
Your birthday, she was
I don't
using.
see any more cups.
Go use plastic cup.
What I'm trying to say. Yeah. Get it, remember? It was in the freezer? Yes. Miss. If
No,
I
say
didn't
after
remember,
4 your life come back anyway.
it's
Say
even
still
come
would have stay. Daddy! Tab. Trouble.
Let me first see you.
God.
Okay, mother, no problem. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday. I'm not cut it on because you know say I idiot. So.
Well, then give me this, thank you. This time I didn't hold until I know what to give it to me.
She don't know how to pour wine. People, she don't know how to pour wine.
I knew it! I was just waiting for it. Take
I was
just waiting for it.
Okay. But I didn't disappoint.
You know, cool, Nana? You back to just take it, if rich.